In the next decade, transportation is set to undergo a monumental shift. The rise of autonomous electric vehicles, AEVs, is not just a futuristic concept, it's becoming a reality. By 2025, these self-driving, eco-friendly cars will likely become the dominant force in the automotive industry. In this video, we will dive deep into the benefits, technological advancements, and future potential of autonomous electric vehicles, exploring how they will revolutionize the way we travel, reduce emissions, and enhance road safety. Autonomous electric cars are vehicles that are powered by electricity and are capable of operating without human intervention. They combine the technology of electric vehicles, EVs, with the cutting-edge capabilities of self-driving systems. Here's how they work. Electric powertrain. These vehicles rely on electric motors and batteries to operate, eliminating the need for traditional gasoline engines. Autonomous driving technology. The car is equipped with sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions without human input. Smart connectivity. Autonomous electric cars communicate with each other and traffic systems to optimize route planning and enhance safety. The combination of electric power and self-driving technology offers a cleaner, safer, and more efficient transportation system. Autonomous electric cars rely on advanced sensors and AI technology to drive themselves, while being powered by electric energy. Here's a breakdown of how these cars operate. Battery pack. The vehicle uses a battery pack to store energy and power the electric motor. These batteries are recharged through home charging stations or public charging networks. Autonomous sensors, cameras, LiDAR, light detection and ranging, radar, and ultrasonic sensors allow the car to understand its environment and make real-time decisions. AI algorithms. The car uses AI-powered algorithms to process data from sensors and make driving decisions such as braking, accelerating, and navigating intersections. Vehicle-to-everything, V2X. Autonomous electric cars are part of an interconnected system where vehicles communicate with other cars, traffic signals, and infrastructure to improve efficiency. Through advanced sensors, AI, and electric power, these cars are changing the way we think about transportation. The environmental impact of autonomous electric cars is one of their most compelling benefits. Zero emissions. Since autonomous electric cars are fully electric, they produce no tailpipe emissions, helping to reduce air pollution and combat climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are significantly more energy efficient than traditional internal combustion engines, ensuring that the energy from the battery is used efficiently to move the vehicle. Reduction in carbon footprint. As more electric cars hit the roads, the carbon footprint of transportation will significantly decrease, contributing to cleaner air and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Integration with renewable energy. Many autonomous electric cars will be charged using renewable energy sources like solar and wind, reducing the environmental impact even further. Autonomous electric cars will not only reduce harmful emissions, but will also help pave the way for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Autonomous driving technology plays a critical role in enhancing the overall performance and safety of electric vehicles. Here's how it works. Self-driving features. Autonomous electric vehicles can navigate without human input, using advanced algorithms to handle tasks like steering, braking, and acceleration. Safety enhancements. These vehicles are equipped with advanced safety systems that reduce human error, such as automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and lane-keeping assistance. Artificial intelligence. The AI systems used in autonomous cars allow them to learn from their environment and continuously improve their decision-making abilities, making them more reliable over time. With AI and sensor technology, autonomous electric cars promise to make roads safer and more efficient. By 2025, the technology behind autonomous electric cars will continue to evolve. Here are some of the key advancements. Improved battery life and efficiency. Advances in battery technology will lead to longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and more durable batteries, allowing electric vehicles to travel further and last longer. Advanced AI and machine learning. Autonomous driving systems will continue to evolve, with improved algorithms enabling vehicles to handle complex scenarios on the road more effectively. Enhanced connectivity. Autonomous electric cars will become part of a larger connected ecosystem, where vehicles communicate with traffic signals, other cars, and infrastructure to optimize driving routes and reduce traffic congestion. Technological innovations will continue to make autonomous electric cars more reliable, safe, and efficient by 2025. The integration of autonomous electric cars into urban landscapes will transform cities in several ways. Reduction in traffic congestion. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and making cities more efficient. Smart infrastructure. Cities will adopt smart infrastructure that works with autonomous electric cars, such as smart traffic lights and dedicated lanes for autonomous vehicles. Shared mobility. Autonomous electric cars will be a key part of ride-sharing services, reducing the need for personal car ownership and providing shared mobility solutions for residents. By 2025, smart cities will be powered by autonomous electric vehicles, creating more efficient, sustainable, and connected urban environments. As autonomous electric cars continue to grow in popularity, the need for an expanded charging infrastructure is crucial. Fast charging networks. The development of fast charging stations will allow autonomous electric cars to charge in under an hour, minimizing downtime and making long-distance travel more feasible. Wireless charging. Future developments in wireless charging technology may allow autonomous electric cars to charge while driving, removing the need to stop at charging stations entirely. Home charging solutions. Many autonomous electric car owners will install home charging units, allowing them to conveniently charge their vehicle overnight. The growth of charging infrastructure will be key to the widespread adoption of autonomous electric cars by 2025. Autonomous electric cars will offer significant benefits for consumers, including convenience. With self-driving technology, drivers can relax or be productive while the car takes them to their destination. Cost savings. The lower maintenance costs and reduced need for fuel make autonomous electric vehicles a more cost-effective choice. Safety. Autonomous driving technology eliminates human error, which is responsible for the majority of road accidents, making driving safer for everyone. The combination of electric and autonomous features offers a more convenient, affordable, and safer way to travel. In conclusion, autonomous electric cars will change the way we drive, live, and interact with our environment. By 2025, we will see a world where self-driving electric cars are the norm, offering eco-friendly, safe, and efficient transportation. With continued advancements in AI, battery technology, and smart infrastructure, the future of transportation looks brighter, greener, and more connected than ever. Title: ###. The future of transportation is rapidly evolving, and at the forefront of this transformation are: by 2025, self-driving electric vehicles will become an integral part of our daily lives, offering a cleaner, safer, and more efficient way to travel. In this video, we will explore the groundbreaking advancements in, their environmental impact, and how they are set to revolutionize the way we think about driving and mobility. ###. Autonomous electric cars are the perfect combination of two cutting-edge technologies, and these vehicles are powered entirely by and can operate without human input, thanks to their key features. These cars use and to drive themselves, eliminating the need for human intervention. Autonomous electric cars are not just about transportation, they also promise and more driving experience. The car runs on and that powers the motor. These batteries can be charged through or home chargers. AI algorithms process the data from sensors and cameras to make real-time decisions, such as steering, braking, and accelerating. The combination of and creates a vehicle that is, and. Since these cars run on electricity they produce, helping to reduce and fight. With the shift towards sources like and, the carbon footprint of electric cars continues to decrease, making them even more. Autonomous electric vehicles are playing a crucial role in, and more future. Electric cars are significantly cheaper to and than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. With fewer moving parts and no need for frequent oil changes, electric vehicles, EVs, are more in the long run. Autonomous electric vehicles offer and rides without the noise and vibration of traditional engines. With and autonomous electric cars are reshaping the future of transportation. Autonomous electric vehicles will communicate with each other to avoid traffic bottlenecks and reduce overall traffic congestion. Instead of owning private cars, people will opt for, which can be summoned on demand through mobile apps, reducing the need for personal car ownership. ###. A key challenge in the adoption of electric cars has been the need for. However, advancements in are helping to make electric cars more accessible. Technology is being developed, allowing electric cars to charge without having to plug them in. Major automakers and tech companies are investing in global charging networks, ensuring that will be available in and. ###. Looking ahead to, autonomous electric vehicles will continue to evolve, bringing new features and capabilities. Autonomous electric vehicles will be part of an interconnected system that communicates with other cars, infrastructure, and even pedestrians to optimize traffic flow and improve safety. The future of autonomous electric cars is within technology, connectivity, and infrastructure, making them the backbone of sustainable transportation. Governments must create and to ensure the safe deployment of autonomous vehicles on public roads. Although battery technology has improved, the of high-performance batteries remains a barrier for widespread adoption. In conclusion, are the future of transportation. By these, vehicles will play a pivotal role in reducing, improving, and creating. With advancements in, and we are on the cusp of a new era in transportation that promises to be, and would you like to explore specific models of autonomous electric cars? Autonomous electric cars are not just the future. They are the next step in building a sustainable, efficient, and connected world.